Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you factory reset a Verizon's 4G LTE tablet. So here's a guide for your settings reset buttons and Google FRP bypass. Method 1, you can reset through the settings app. For that you need to open settings app, tap system or general management. The menu name varies by manufacturer. Select reset or reset options, tap erase all data, factory reset and review the information and tap reset or erase everything. Enter your PIN, password or pattern if prompted and confirm the reset and wait for the tablet to restart. Method 2, reset using recovery mode. Turn off the tablet completely. Press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Some tablets may use power plus volume down instead. Release the buttons when the manufacturer's logo or the Android recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight wipe data or factory reset. Press the power button to select it. Choose factory data reset or yes to confirm. When the reset finishes, you can select reboot system now. If the tablet is linked to a Google account, after the reset, you may be asked to sign in with the Google account that was previously synced to the tablet. This is the part of Android's factory reset protection feature, which helps to protect lost or stolen devices. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.